Follow the channel. Y'all know I've got this 3-acre pond. We've been working to renovate it a little bit. We're gonna try to bring this old excavator down in the pond without sinking it or getting it stuck. So I can only make you one promise: if it gets stuck, it's probably going to be on camera. So yeah, since this is a fishing pond, you know, I'm leaving like where they got these trees covering. I only took about a foot out here, and that's kind of for fish to spawn and whatnot. And you can see I'm kind of going to work it deeper and deeper as I get over here, and I may dig quite a bit deeper as we get further down. And then I've got something a little unique over here. You see there's that little high spot way out there. I think what I'm going to try to do is grab one of these little willow trees, maybe that one right there, and we're gonna try to set it out on top of that. Who knows, maybe it'll persist for a couple of years and be a little bit of cover for the fish. Got that one. See how far we can get before we really start sinking. Ooh. Now over here, what we have is we're gonna build this little peninsula right here going way out into the pond. So I've got it about 30 feet out already. See, I've kind of dug from around it, and I'm gonna try to get on this side and go out in that water, or right on the edge of the water, and see if I can reach some more dirt and pile it out there. And when I can't get any more from there, I'll just haul it from all this dirt that I just pulled out of the pond. I'll start hauling it, and we're gonna make us a nice little peninsula out there where we can put maybe a picnic table, something like that. But let's go down in there and see if we can get some dirt dug up for it. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Got the old excavator warming up. It's greased up, fueled up, ready to go. Yesterday, I almost got this whole shoreline. Y'all saw me working way on that end. I worked myself down over here. I just got this one little section. You can kind of see it right there left, but it got so gummy. I was having trouble with my bucket getting all plugged up. I got tired of cleaning that out. So I decided I'm gonna leave that set for a few more days, maybe another week before I finish that. And I'm gonna come and I'm gonna work on this shoreline right here where it just slopes way too shallow. We really need more like a 3-on-1 slope in this area. And this is a little shallower than that. And so it gets a lot of nasty stuff growing on it. So I'm gonna come clean this up. That is a 42-inch ditch bucket I've got. And salesman and I went round and round about whether this machine can handle a 42-inch bucket. This is only a 12,000-pound machine. A lot of the literature said it could, depending on the material. I do not have the counterweight on this machine. I can handle it for the most part. You just be a little careful where I can definitely find it'll get tipsy if I'm not level, if I'm working over the side for sloping the blade. But ultimately, I can use it basically full reach almost everywhere I've got to work. So I've made my way most of the way around the bank. I've got most of the banks about how I want them, other than just having to do a little bit of cleanup work. And now it's going to be interesting because I've got, you see this island out in the middle of the pond. This was like where they left a cofferdam to dig this smaller section here. So I've got where I can get out on this now, but it's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get out there for one. And two, I've got to lay a lot of this dirt back and move it, handle it 3-4 times to get it out. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to do out there. So I may build me a little bridge, get the excavator out there and see kind of how it's going. Alright y'all, so we've got us quite a little hole dug right here. I've been working on this little peninsula island thing. Now we gotta try to get off. And just sitting here working, I've slowly been sinking and the ground has gotten softer and softer. And so right through there, it's gonna be our path to see if we can get out. We're not stuck. I didn't bring any mats with me. Top this mess.